Becoming fearless is a process that involves self-awareness, courage, and intentional actions. Here are some strategies to help you cultivate fearlessness. Understand your fears. Identify and understand what you're afraid of. Awareness is the first step toward overcoming fear. Challenge negative thoughts. Question negative thoughts and assumptions that contribute to fear. Replace them with positive and empowering beliefs. Set realistic goals. Break down larger fears into smaller, more manageable goals. Celebrate small victories along the way to build confidence. Face your fears gradually. Gradually expose yourself to the things you fear in a controlled and safe manner. This helps desensitize you over time. Practice mindfulness and relaxation techniques. Techniques such as meditation and deep breathing can help calm your mind, reduce anxiety, and increase your ability to face challenges. Visualize success. Imagine yourself successfully overcoming your fears. Visualization can help build a positive mindset. Build self-confidence. Focus on your strengths and achievements. Building overall self-confidence can contribute to fearlessness. Learn from failure. Embrace failure as a learning opportunity. Recognize that setbacks are a natural part of growth and can lead to future success. Surround yourself with support. Seek support from friends, family, or a mentor. Having a strong support system can provide encouragement and perspective. Educate yourself. Knowledge is empowering. Learn about what you fear, and understand that knowledge can dispel irrational fears. Take control of your thoughts. Practice redirecting negative thoughts towards positive and empowering ones. Train your mind to focus on solutions rather than problems. Embrace uncertainty. Fear often stems from the unknown. Learn to embrace uncertainty and view it as an opportunity for growth and new experiences. Live in the present. Fears are often based on past experiences or future uncertainties. Practice mindfulness and focus on the present moment. Seek professional help. If your fears are significantly impacting your life, consider seeking support from a therapist or counselor who can provide guidance and strategies. Remember that becoming fearless doesn't mean the absence of fear, but rather the ability to confront and overcome it. Progress may be gradual, so be patient and compassionate with yourself as you work towards greater fearlessness.